Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to share to you a tutorial on how you can stop the uploading process on Google Drive. Okay, I've already opened the Google Drive and I'm going to upload a file into the drive. Okay, so for example, I'm going to upload these files and then click on open. Okay, so the uploading process will be shown here, and if you guys want to stop it because probably you are wrong, you are mistaken in selecting the file and you want to cancel it, you can just click on this cancel icon, or you can also click on the cancel text here. So either way, you can it will stop your uploading process. So just click on it and then it will show that the upload cancelled. Okay, so I think that's all for me. That is how you can stop the uploading process in Google Drive. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.